Okay, well let's just get on with it. Got an unboxing for you today and a discussion a little bit about a new router. I bet you've not heard of it. I know you've heard of all the routers, but probably not this one. This is a Ubiquiti Amplifi Alien. This could be the best new wireless 6 router, AX level router. See, Ubiquiti Networks. Let's see what this is. It's called the Amplifi Alien. Pretty cool, huh? This is a really cool thing. It is a wireless 6, which means AX technology. I think it's an 8x8 streaming. And it also has a wireless 5 AC radio. And it's got in radio, the B in AC radio. So it's got 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Let me see, we can open this too. Let's see if we can get this without destroying the package. Such a nice looking package here. Let's see here, I'll pull this off. Ubiquiti. So why Ubiquiti? Ubiquiti is a really high quality maker of network products. You may not know about it. And they make a lot of very high speed and high quality products. You should really check them out. Some of them have been kind of outside the normal consumer network, but anyway, here it is. It's called Amplifi Alien. Really a cool name. I like aliens too, so it's cool. We'll open this up here. Woo! Look at this. Like that. You probably can't see me anymore. This is the opening of it. Woo! This guy is a really super powerful router. So one of the reasons why I went with this is versus AC versus Asus. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Asus and Netgear are your normal other routers that you see out there, and I'm just sick of the performance of those. I think the last good Asus router I can think of was the 68U, which is like a AC 1900 series. A lot of their others just seem to perform so-so. I do like their software over Netgear. Netgear, I really don't remember a router that I liked. I've had several of both kinds. The performance is just really so-so on them. So anyway, let me take the wraps off of this. This is wrapped up like an Apple product, it feels like. Again, you've got the 3 radios, so you can support a lot of old legacy devices. And it is super powerful. Matter of fact, for this price level, this thing, I paid about $379 for this. If you compare the performance of this, and at least on paper, to what Netgear and Asus are offering, this is cheaper than their products in much higher quality. We'll see anyway, but it looks like it. The brand is very high quality. Another good brand is Synology. Has like the 2600 AC router and the MR 2200 AC. Those are really good routers too. This one can be meshed. A lot of people say, is it meshable or not? You can buy another one of these, put it in another room, and they'll mesh each other. Amazing. Here's a few of the features. There's a really innovative light on the bottom that tells you the status. Green, because it's the Alien is a common color. And there is a touch screen on the front. Let's see if there's a picture here. It's hard to really see in this box here, but there is a touch screen on the front, and it is LCD color touch screen to help you operate the router without having to always go in the software, and it gives you status. This is a really wonderful high-end router. It's got the standard 4 gigabit ports and the one WAN on the bottom here. Looks like there's a USB maybe. No, I don't see any USB, but there is a power on it. So I think this is a great product. I'm really looking forward to it. Amplifi Alien. There you go. And that's, let's see, I'll read you a few of the stats on it before I go. It says a new dimension of Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 6 performance. The Amplifi Alien delivers Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home, optimized for lag-free, low-latency performance. Sounds like good for gaming or anything. Has 802.11ax wireless 6 speeds. It's designed to be the showcase piece in your home and features an intuitive touchscreen display. Wow, and of course it has a mobile app that goes with it. Says here, aggregate speed is 8.9 gigabits per second. It has MIMO of 4x4 low band and 8x8 high band. So this is technically a 12 stream router for $379 by a very high quality company. How can you beat this? Amazing. It has the time of day and a lot of status on the front here. So anyway, looking forward to it, and I'll tell you how it turns out in the comments. The desert is calling, and I must go, so click, like, and subscribe.